Not only do we have cows here, but there's something else living in our shed. Oh, she just came out. Have a look at this. In my work shed, I don't know if you can see the 3 eggs in the nest. There's 3 eggs in my work shed. There's going to be 3 little babies. On top of the little wallabies that come along. Sure, I'll get some more videos of them. And the naughty little cows who want to fight all the time. They're like little kids. They just want to play all the time. Oh, sorry, here's the cranky mother, because I went in and saw the where did she go? Oh, there she is. She's gone back in. Don't know if you saw her. See, watch her come out. There she goes. Willy wagtail. Yeah, she's not very happy with me. I'll leave you alone now, mother. You can go and see your eggs.